Hello everyone, this is Joe for Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Profitec Pro 7 with us in the shop. And it came in for an issue with the PID, and also a few other heating issues. Relay was one of them that was included, and also the heating element. It's kind of hard with this machine just because the Pro 700 is actually discontinued now from Profitec's lineup. And replacing it would be a few other machines, but uh, finding that PID took quite a while. But after all the installments, we stopped getting the error code for the temperature sensor, and as you can see, steam's coming out really good. We don't have a portafilter, so we can't really test the brewing side, but I'm gonna open this, and of course this has flow control, so you can control how much water comes out the drip head. We're just gonna open it all the way to show you. Now, pretty much all we did was fixing the electronic parts of the machine. We did not deep clean the machine or replace anything. Besides that, that's about it for this repair. If you like the video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.